guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
The Warning performing More, and this is stripped back version. Let's see what this is. This seems like a private event, and it says it was put on 48 hours before the show, so it's like a secret event. It's only 70-80 people in attendance.
Oh, they had permission to record this, to post this?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh.
But let's see.
The last time when it was a private event.
Well, every concert is a private event, but that was Japan, so, you know.
Just say private event, no filming. No filming.
Alright. Before we move on to the next song, let me just check this real quick. We don't want to hit this wrong. Because fun fact, for this new album, we wrote with a lot of different tunings, which is very fun for my dear guitar tech Aggie over here every night. We got it. Alright. Are you guys ready for more?
Hell yeah!
Let's do it then. Take it away, Abby.
Yeah, this is a different version. It's like an acoustic version almost.
Something criminal, but I can't fight it. Won't you tell me what to say? Or pull me in and keep me nice and quiet.
Well, not acoustic because there's like a beat, but where's that beat coming from? I feel like that's like a track, right?
I think it's. Hold on.
Because
Play.
the
It's from my guitar.
no, but
Oh,
there's
no,
that
no,
bass.
no,
Where's that bass
no.
coming from?
Maybe a track.
Just kill the noise, would you feel my voice? Give it a look, would you feel my sense? You know you love it. You know you're gonna need to need me. Yeah, you know I love it.
I second with them, honestly.
You think they're making that back?
Because I don't see why
You
not.
think the drummer with her foot? Maybe is that like the
Oh,
the
okay, we're doing it too much now.
Oh,
You're doing
no.
too much for me.
When you feed me, you leave me right for more. I feel it slowly creeping near. I find the southern leaves me frozen, stranded. We used to dream what could have been. Whatever sinking.
You know what's interesting is how the person filmed it with a little bit.
it's crooked.
Crooked,
it's a
yeah.
little crooked, yeah.
How? But I feel like the ladies are aligned, but everything else is crooked.
But phenomenal sound quality, way better than the concert.
Yeah, this is not wild.
You know, the drummer looks different. I mean,
Why? Maybe the hair is longer.
I don't know. I guess no. She's always in the back. You don't get like a good look at her too much. So
Oh.
it's just last time I remember seeing her like taking a good look at her. She looks different. It's a very cool version. I like it. It's not like, I mean, it's kind of rock, but it's like a very different rock from their typical. Because their typical is like a pretty hard rock. Like, I mean, they go pretty hard. This is like a very chill, chill rock. Very different. I like it.
You like a little rock, you know you love it. You love it when I need you. Do you need me? Yeah. You know
Oh, very nice. That was pretty cool. Very cool.
So this was before their actual concert.
Oh, this was last night.
Oh, so when was this, like, in terms of their concert? So after, like, this is them hanging out?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow.
Yeah, this is like Crate Brewery. This is like very exclusive event.
Guys, of course, let us know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.